A credit line is a flexible loan arrangement that works differently than a standard installment loan. Let us break down how it functions. The defining feature of a credit line is its flexibility. Unlike a fixed loan, you do not receive a lump sum all at once. It is a revolving account. You have a set limit, and you only pay interest on the amount you actually draw, not the total limit. Think of it like a reservoir of funds. You draw what you need, pay it back, and the available balance refills for future use. While a term loan gives you all the money upfront, a credit line lets you manage cash flow based on your specific needs. Because you only pay interest on what you use, a credit line can sometimes be more cost-effective if you do not need the full amount. Remember that just because you have access to a specific limit does not mean you should use it. Maintain discipline with your borrowing. Understanding your credit options helps you manage your finances better. Check back for more basics on how debt and credit work.